Close your eyes and imagine a world long before humans. A time when the Earth was a vastly different place, untouched by human hands, where nature reigned supreme in its most raw and untamed form. Picture lush jungles teeming with strange and wonderful creatures. These jungles were alive with the sounds of exotic birds, the rustling of ancient ferns, and the calls of creatures that have long since vanished from our world. Towering above them all are the dinosaurs, the true giants of this ancient world. Their sheer size and presence dominated the landscape, making them the undisputed rulers of their time. The most magnificent animals to ever walk the earth. Their majesty and grandeur are unparalleled, capturing our imaginations and inspiring countless stories and legends.
These incredible reptiles ruled the planet for over 160 million years, a reign that saw the rise and fall of countless species and the shaping of the world as we know it, a period much longer than humans have existed. To put it in perspective, humans have only been around for a fraction of that time, making the age of dinosaurs a truly epic chapter in Earth's history. Their reign ended millions of years ago, brought to a dramatic close by cataclysmic events that reshaped the planet and paved the way for the rise of mammals and eventually humans. But their story continues to fascinate us. Through the dedicated work of paleontologists, we are constantly uncovering new insights and pieces of the puzzle that help us understand these magnificent creatures.
Fossils, like pieces of a giant puzzle, give us clues about their lives. Each fossil tells a story, revealing details about the environment they lived in, their behaviors, and their interactions with other species. We learn about their appearance, their size, and the incredible diversity that existed among them. From the smallest feathered dinosaurs to the colossal giants, each species had its own unique adaptations and characteristics, and even what they ate. By studying fossilized remains of their stomach contents and teeth, we can piece together their diets and understand the complex ecosystems they were a part of.
Join us now on a journey through time to uncover the mysteries of these incredible creatures. We'll travel back to the Mesozoic era, a time when dinosaurs roamed the Earth, and explore the world they inhabited. We'll explore their diverse forms, from the smallest bird-like dinosaurs to the massive sauropods that stretched over 100 feet in length. From the massive long-necked herbivores that grazed on the treetops, using their incredible height to reach food that other animals couldn't, to the fearsome predatory hunters like the Tyrannosaurus rex, whose powerful jaws and sharp teeth made them the apex predators of their time.
Get ready to delve into a world ruled by giants, a world where every day was a battle for survival and every creature had to adapt to the ever-changing environment. A world full of wonder, where the landscapes were as diverse as the creatures that inhabited them, from dense jungles to vast deserts and everything in between. And a world we are only just beginning to understand. With each new discovery, we get a little closer to piecing together the incredible story of the dinosaurs and the world they lived in. Dinosaurs came in a spectacular array of shapes and sizes. These magnificent creatures roamed the Earth millions of years ago, dominating the land with their diverse forms and unique adaptations. From the smallest to the largest, each dinosaur species had its own special characteristics that made it stand out in the prehistoric world. Some were small, like the Compsognathus, which was no bigger than a chicken. This tiny dinosaur, despite its size, was a swift and agile predator, capable of catching insects and small vertebrates. Its small stature allowed it to move quickly through dense vegetation, making it a master of its environment.
Others were colossal, like the mighty Argentinosaurus, a plant eater that stretched over 100 feet long, longer than 3 school buses. This giant herbivore roamed the ancient forests, using its long neck to reach the highest branches of trees for food. Its massive size provided protection against predators, making it one of the most formidable creatures of its time. One of the most recognizable dinosaurs is the Tyrannosaurus rex, a fierce predator with massive jaws and teeth as long as bananas. The T-Rex was the apex predator of its ecosystem, using its powerful bite to take down large prey. Its keen sense of smell and sharp vision made it an efficient hunter, striking fear into the hearts of other dinosaurs.
Another fascinating group is the stegosaurs, known for the plates along their backs and the spikes on their tails. These plates may have been used for display, thermoregulation, or protection. The tail spikes, known as thagomisers, were likely used as a defense mechanism against predators, making the Stegosaurus a well-armored herbivore. Then there's the Triceratops, with its 3 horns and large bony frill, a formidable herbivore that likely used its head for defense. The Triceratops could charge at predators with its sharp horns, and its frill provided protection for its neck. This dinosaur was a social animal, often found in herds, which provided additional safety in numbers.
These are just a few examples of the incredible diversity found in the dinosaur world. From the smallest to the largest, each species played a unique role in its ecosystem. The variety of shapes, sizes, and adaptations among dinosaurs is a testament to the complexity and richness of prehistoric life. Each species had unique adaptations that allowed them to thrive in their environments. Some dinosaurs developed specialized teeth for grinding plants, while others had sharp claws for hunting. These adaptations were crucial for their survival, enabling them to exploit different ecological niches, whether it was the long neck of the Brachiosaurus for reaching high leaves. This towering dinosaur could access food sources that were out of reach for other herbivores, giving it a significant advantage in its habitat. Its long neck also allowed it to keep a lookout for predators while feeding, or the powerful legs of the velociraptor for chasing down prey. The velociraptor was a swift and agile hunter, using its speed and intelligence to outmaneuver its prey. Its sharp claws and keen senses made it a formidable predator, capable of taking down animals much larger than itself. The diversity and adaptability of dinosaurs are what made them such successful inhabitants of the prehistoric world.
What did dinosaurs sound like? This question has fascinated both scientists and the general public for decades. The idea of these magnificent creatures communicating with each other through a variety of sounds is both intriguing and mysterious. It's a question that continues to intrigue scientists. The challenge lies in the fact that vocal cords, the primary instruments of sound production in animals, don't fossilize well. This leaves us with a puzzle that requires a combination of paleontology, comparative anatomy, and modern technology to solve. Since vocal cords don't fossilize well, we rely on clues from bones and comparisons with modern animals. By studying the structure of dinosaur skulls and the cavities within them, scientists can make educated guesses about the sounds these creatures might have produced. For instance, the size and shape of certain bones can indicate the presence of air sacs or resonating chambers.
Some dinosaurs, like the Parasaurolophus, had hollow crests on their heads that may have acted like resonating chambers, amplifying their calls. These crests could have allowed them to produce a wide range of sounds, from low-frequency rumbles to high-pitched calls, which could be used for communication within their species or to ward off predators.
Imagine the deep rumbles of a Brachiosaurus herd communicating across vast distances. These massive creatures, with their long necks and enormous bodies, might have used low-frequency sounds that could travel long distances, allowing them to stay in contact with each other even when spread out over large areas. Picture the terrifying roars of a Tyrannosaurus rex echoing through the jungle, striking fear into the hearts of its prey. The T-Rex, with its powerful lungs and large vocal cords, could have produced some of the most fearsome sounds in the prehistoric world, serving as a warning to other creatures to stay away.
Or perhaps the high-pitched chirps and whistles of smaller dinosaurs like velociraptors as they communicated with each other. These agile predators might have used a variety of sounds to coordinate their hunting strategies or to communicate with their young. While we can only speculate about the exact sounds, we know that the dinosaur world was far from silent. The diverse range of species, each with its own unique adaptations, would have created a rich tapestry of sounds, from the gentle rustling of leaves to the thunderous roars of the largest predators.
It was a symphony of calls, bellows, and perhaps even songs, each contributing to the complex and dynamic ecosystem of the prehistoric world. The sounds of dinosaurs would have played a crucial role in their daily lives, from finding mates to defending territory and communicating with their young. a testament to the rich tapestry of life that existed millions of years ago. The prehistoric world was a vibrant and dynamic place, filled with a cacophony of sounds that we can only begin to imagine. Through the study of fossils and modern technology, we continue to uncover the secrets of these ancient creatures and the world they inhabited.
Section 4. A closer look. Names, features and food. Dinosaur names often describe their unique features.
Triceratops means three-horned face, a fitting description for this dinosaur with its prominent horns.
Stegosaurus translates to roof lizard, referring to the plates along its back. These names provide clues about their appearance and sometimes even their behavior.
For example, Velociraptor means swift Caesar, hinting at its speed and predatory nature.
Dinosaurs followed different diets. Some, like the Stegosaurus and Triceratops, were herbivores, using their specialized teeth to grind down tough plants.
Others, like the Tyrannosaurus rex and Velociraptor, were carnivores, their sharp teeth designed for tearing flesh.
Understanding their diets helps us piece together the intricate food web that existed in the dinosaur era, revealing how these creatures interacted with their environment and with each other.
Section 5. Weighing in on giants, from tiny to titanic. Dinosaurs varied greatly in size.
Some, like the Compsognathus, weighed as little as a bag of sugar.
Others, like the Argentinosaurus, could reach a weight equivalent to a dozen elephants. The largest dinosaurs were the long-necked sauropods, like the Brachiosaurus and Apatosaurus.
These gentle giants needed to eat enormous amounts of food every day to sustain their massive bodies.
On the other end of the spectrum, small dinosaurs like the Compsognathus were agile and quick, likely feasting on insects and small animals.
The wide range in size reflects the incredible diversity of the dinosaur world and the variety of ecological niches they filled.